we're looking at the main control board for our water dispensing machine. The board is bad. We'll have to wait some time to get one from China. So we had to reconfigure some things to make this machine continue production and sales. Those switches we repurposed to allow for manual functions. It's normally fully automated. So that switch there. So we have one switch for dispensing water, one switch to power the reverse osmosis production. The bottom switch is for the UV light. This right here is a timer. There's a float switch in that tank, and the float switch detects immediately as the water goes down. It's accurate within inches, within millimeters. So to delay the time that it powers on the pump to refill the tank and allow some of the, at least half the tank to come out before. And we use that timer. Just tuck some of these wires behind here for now and hide them. Okay, alright, here we go. We can see the water softeners, they're not powered. We'll deal with those later. And this needle right here, this gauge shows that there is reverse osmosis production here. Alright, that's a pressure switch. There's a float switch in our storage tank. And between that and this pressure switch, it acts as safety to shut off the pump if there is no raw water coming in, or there's something wrong with the main pump that pushes, that feeds water to this unit. And here we go back up. Let's close this panel up because this thing is working. That's the front view of the machine right here. This is the production water that has gone through several filtration and purification processes, and that's where we'll store it. One day I'll do an overview of the entire system. It's huge. That's the water that has gone through the process going into the tank. That little float switch there is one that I added to the new manual system as a safety, because I wouldn't want the system to be running and overflow the tank. So I use that just for cutoff when the storage tank is full. And then the pressure switch would detect pressure in the line coming in. So I use that for cutoff when the raw water tanks are empty or the supply pump is not working. Alright, so let's get these water softener working. Here we see we've thrown in a couple more wires here. What I've done is use the normally closed auxiliary and normally open as well on this contactor to kind of cancel out either of the two processes. So when the contactor is energized, one process is allowed to stay energized, and it locks out the other one from feeding back on these machines right here, the automatic softener controls. And when the contactor is de-energized, it allows this process to run, the softener to run the pre-wash while locking out the reverse osmosis. So one does not feed back on the other. As I open the same